Hi everyone, I hope everyone is doing well. In today's episode, I'm going to show you how to use VLOOKUP in Excel. In order to do that, I have created two tables. The one represents the lessons that the student has gotten and the scores from each exam that has got. And the second table is the score table with the range of some points and the grades which represents each range of the score. Now, in order to use VLOOKUP, I have to do some arrangements. I'm coming to the score table and from the grade, selecting all the column, and I will insert another column to the left side of the grade by simply saying insert. And from here, we're gonna select the lowest score range of the column which is located to the left side of this table. Coming here, saying 0 is the lowest score, pressing enter, and in order to copy each value of this lowest range of the table, simply coming to the below cell and from our keyboard pressing Ctrl and E, and as you can see now we have the lowest scores of this range. Okay, first step has done. Let's come to lessons table, and from here I'm coming to C3, which I'm gonna write my VLOOKUP formula, and from the formula bar we say equal VLOOKUP opening parenthesis, and from here the formula wants the cell which we're gonna look up. And for this, we're gonna select the B3 cell. We say semicolon. And for the second variable, wants the table array, which we're gonna control the grades. I'm coming to my score table, and from here, simply selecting from G3 till H7. Okay, we have with the columns between separated, and once again we're putting semicolon, and from here the formula wants the column index which we're gonna display inside the score table, and I'm coming to my score table, and as you can see we have the column 1 and the column 2 index. We want the grades with letters, so here we're gonna write index number 2. Closing parenthesis, pressing enter. As you can see, the F grade is displayed for the score 11. Let's check inside the table. For the score range from 0 to 60, it's F. Correct. Now I want to copy the formula to below cells. What can I do? I'm coming to C3 cell, and simply, as you can see, there is a small square at the bottom right of the cell. Coming up, clicking double, and here we have copied the formula below, but we have an error. We have to do some more arrangements in order to freeze the column. I'm coming to my VLOOKUP formula, and from here pressing simply F4. As you can see, I freeze the column, and from here I'm coming to H7 and pressing once again F4. Okay, we're freezing the column. I'm deleting every single formula that I've copied to the below cells. And once again, I'm gonna copy down the corrected VLOOKUP formula. Once again, I'm clicking double. And as you can see now, the formulas are corrected and the grades are displayed correctly. So let's check one more and I will close the video. For grade A, we have to get from the range of score 90 to 100. For history, we have 88. Let me check. Yes, it is correct. It's B for the range 80 till range 89. So the video was like this. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please give a big thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe in order to see more future content. Until the next video, have a nice day. Bye bye.